Hello, hello. We are going to review a quick Pinterest tutorial. So, step one, before you get started with this Pinterest tutorial, please confirm that you have a Pinterest plugin in your web browser. I'm currently using Firefox, but you can do this with any browser, Google Chrome, or whatever your favorites are. A Pinterest browser is a great tool because on your website, you are able to pin directly from here. So step one, confirm that you have the Pinterest plugin. Step two, make sure that you're logged into the correct Pinterest account that you're looking to save the pins to. So once you find a high-res image that you're looking to save on your account, you click this Save Pin button, and then it brings you to this page. So, my biggest suggestion with Pinterest is to incorporate hashtags so then when people search on the Pinterest board, they're able to find what you're looking for. So, I'm going to remove this automatically populated word because we want it to be applicable to the photo. So, I'm going to say fresh, hashtag organic vegetables that you can grow in your home garden. Explore more on the Organic Harvest website. And then we can add some more hashtags here. Organic gardening. I can do like hashtag pepper, onion, all right, so now that we have our industry hashtags at the bottom, I suggest using a variety of these, but having your brand hashtags included in every photo. So if somebody were to type in organic harvest, this will come up in addition to all the other pins. So if we want to make a new board, I want to make sure that it's connected to the messaging on the website. So this section is called organic vegetables. So I'm going to make a new board for all of the content on this website page to be under. So I'm just going to type in organic. And then this would actually be a great hashtag too. Organic vegetables. Okay, we're creating this, and now we have a new board just for our organic vegetables. And the reason why we're doing it like this is to be connected to the website and organized by sections. So now all of the pins that I'm going to save under this new board are going to be mirroring the website. So be sure that you're pinning high res images when you're going on Pinterest because they're going to be standing alone and they're not going to have the fallback of your website content. So here we have another high resolution vegetable post that we're going to add to this board. Another great thing to include in your pins is like some additional information because if somebody is just browsing on Pinterest, you want them to click on your website. So yes, they'll find more information there, but you want to spark curiosity so people will come to your website. So here we are again. We'll say organic radish. Might even want to say purple plum. Organic purple plum radish. Special radish with bright purple. All right. And this is great information, that how long till harvest, spacing, height, organic harvest, say organic vegetables, grow your own food, grow organic. And always check for typos because it's a real thing. All right, and then we're gonna pin it here. Beautiful. So we can see it now on our Pinterest board. And as you can see here, it brings you directly to the website. So if somebody's like, these look really good, boom, translation to a lead on your website, driving traffic. It is a wonderful way to have lead generation, lead nurturing, and then, go down the sales funnel from there. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you on Pinterest, and thank you very much.